Hello, my friends. We're going to work on the C major scale. I'm going to show you how to practice it. A scale is a succession of 8 notes arranged in alphabetical order in a pattern of whole steps and half steps. What that means is, let's say we're going to start on middle C. Okay, I'm going to play a scale for you first. Okay, and I could play that 2 or 3 times in a row. Okay, so beginning on middle C, I'm going to show you the 2 parts to a C major scale. The first part consists of C, D, and E, played with fingers 1, 2, and 3. So just play those 3 notes and repeat. If you keep your fingers all curved, then they'll all be the same length, because as you can see, the longest finger is finger 3 and the shortest is finger 5. So to play the piano, you want all of the fingers to be the same length, and the way to do that is by curving them. C, D, E, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you play that a few times until it feels easy and kind of natural. And notice that I'm connecting them. C is connected to D, connected to E. I'm not playing them choppy like this. Okay, we want to connect them for a nice smooth sound. Then you shift the hand upward, placing finger 1, the thumb, on F, and play the remaining 5 keys with your 5 fingers. Okay, try it with me. And 4 and 5 are a little bit weak in the hand. So you may just want to practice playing finger 4 and 5, to help to strengthen them and keep them curved. So let's do that again. The second part of the scale beginning on F with finger 1. Repeat. And you can go as slow or as fast as you want. Now we're going to connect the 2 parts of the C scale together. The first part, second part. Let's do that again. And again. And a little faster. And in the next video, we'll work on descending the C scale. Okay, and how to do that. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon. Piano Lessons with Audrey. Bye-bye now.